Welcome to VandergriffChevrolet. We are absolutely unbeatable.
This fantastic 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500 is equipped with a responsive 5.3-liter V8 engine, a reliable automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and has only 38,832 miles. Its electronic and entertainment features include an RDS audio system with a satellite link and CD player which can read MP3s, a 6-speaker in-cabin sound system, and steering wheel-mounted remote audio controls. It also gets an estimated 21 miles per gallon on the highway, and 15 in the city. For your comfort, this short crew cab truck has a voice-activating system and a ventilation system. The safety features on this vehicle include multi-stage deploying driver and passenger front airbags with passenger seat occupant sensors. Please contact our professional sales staff today to schedule a test drive.
VandergriffChevrolet, the Metroplex's volume leader, is located at 1200 Interstate 20 West, Arlington, Texas, just across from the Parks Mall in South Arlington.